Prime Minister right now is in Bhutan. He was speaking in Thimphu. He's attending the 4th King's birthday celebrations of Bhutan. He also said that he arrived in Bhutan with a very heavy heart with what has transpired in the national capital of India. He says through the course of the night, he had been speaking to investigative agencies. He's keeping himself abreast with all developments and angles of investigation. Then he makes a very clear point that those behind the attack, the perpetrators, the masterminds will not be spared and will be brought to justice. He made that point, especially in English, speaking to a larger audience as well, giving that message out pure that those who are behind this attack, which now has been established as a terror attack, tying in to the terror module that was busted yesterday, will be brought to justice. What that justice means, what will be the timeline of that justice remains to be seen, because this is now a terror attack. And with the sequence of events, especially the exchange of the car that was the vehicle of carrying the explosives, the vehicle that orchestrated the attack, all pointing to the terror module that was busted by our security agencies in Faridabad. That would mean that this is a Jaish attack, a Jaish backed attack, a Jaish-e-Mohammed backed attack, which sees its roots in Bahawalpur, Pakistan. Of course, investigation needs to be carried out to understand and to tie all the loopholes and the loose ends, whether or not this attack can be traced to Pakistan or not. And if so, then what and how will India react and say, and what will be the trajectory of giving justice to the 9 innocent lives that have lost? One can only hark back to the statement after Operation Sindoor, where our Prime Minister had made it very clear that every act of terror is an act of war. I want to bring in my colleague Piyush Mishra, who's joining us for more. Piyush, the Prime Minister speaking in Bhutan, Thimphu, he's there on an official visit, making it clear that he went to Bhutan. He arrived there with a heavy heart, has been in touch with investigative agencies who are apprising him of the latest facets that are being revealed as we speak, but makes it very clear, especially in English, that the perpetrators of this attack would be brought to justice. Messaging, optics for a larger international audience as well.
Well, absolutely, Preeti, a strong, hearty statement coming in from PM Narendra Modi on the attack which took place